Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're filming a Boxycharm video. Now I signed up for Boxycharm pretty recently and I got the April and May boxes. I've never tried Boxycharm until right now in this moment, in this video. So I'm looking forward to sharing my thoughts with you, my initial reactions. This is a first impression video. So if you are enjoying the way that this makeup looks already, this would be a great time to give it a thumbs up in advance, as well as subscribe to my channel if you like makeup tutorials, hair tutorials and product reviews, because that's the kind of content that I make on here. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look and what I think of Boxycharm, then keep on watching. Now I have only just jumped on the Boxycharm bandwagon, Boxycharm wagon thing. So I have received the April and the May Boxycharms, and since it's kind of late for the April one and we're right on time for the May one, I wanted to combine this into one video and do a look using the products that I got for the last 2 months in Boxycharm. Now if you don't know, Boxycharm is a subscription service and the price will be listed right here as well as links down below, and basically it's a monthly box that gives you full-size products from really incredible brands, and so the value of each of these boxes is anywhere between like $50 to like $100 plus. So it's incredibly worth it. Actually, it's well over $50. I don't even know why I said 50. It's really cool to have a mystery box that you receive and you don't really know what you're getting in the box. So in my April Boxycharm box, it comes kind of in this little cute box like this. And then opening it up, they have all the products very, very well packaged. I'm going to go through each of what these products are. The first product that I got is a Tarte Pro Glow. This, I guess, is a liquid highlighter. Then I got a tinted brow gel with microfibers from the Brow Gel. The next product that I got, this is from the brand Odyssey. The next product that I got is the Dr. Brand Vacuum Cleaner, Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Anything like pore refining, pore minimizing is like my kind of product. And then the last product is a Colourpop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. So this is what the May box looks like, and I'm going to go through each of these products as well. First product is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I already have this on my face. I filmed a separate foundation Friday video, which I'm having some issues with, but we'll talk about that in another video. And then we have another lip product, which is the Beauty Creations Matte Lip Gloss. And then we have a brush from Aesthetica. It's the P12 brush. And then I'm super excited about this. This is the Pretty Vulgur, the ink gel liner in Blacklist. And I just love this because the packaging is so adorable. How cute. So we have more Aesthetica brushes. And then the last product we have from this month's Boxycharm is the Pur Cosmetics Sculptor Palette. And this is a highlight and contour palette. So the first thing I'm going to do is finish up my skin. And for that I'm using the Pur Cosmetics Sculptor Palette. Now I'm just going to go in with my MAC powder in NW45 just to finish up my skin, just to blend that together a little better. I'm so impressed. I want to try the deeper color. I like to add some depth into these kind of areas to make my forehead a little bit smaller because it's huge. I love this brush for contouring. Wow, it gives you a very, very sharp contour. So then to highlight, I'm going to go into both Trailblazer and Originator. Oh, I think I should stick with Trailblazer, so I'm just layering that over as well. It's a little bit icy gray and ashy. I'm not sure why they would combine such a deep contour color with such a light, ashy, cool tone highlighter color. I'm having some foundation issues with my nose, so I'm actually going to stay away from highlighting that area. So I'm going to add some blush just to help me out here using the Morphe blushes. And then I'm just going to spray my face with Fix Plus so it doesn't feel so powdery. Okay, so I'm quickly going to prime my eyes using the Makeup Revolution primer and set them as well. I'm just going to pick up this shade as my transition color. I'm picking up that pink shade in the palette and I'm going to run that in my crease. Wow, this is such a pretty color. I'm taking the same color and I'm adding it to my outer corner. Just gonna pat, 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 pat. Now I'm gonna pick up that burgundy shade and start darkening up this outer corner a little bit. In my crease. And then I'm just taking the brush that had that pink, I'm just going back and blending that out. So now I'm going to take that pink and run it down my lower lash line. So I just took that burgundy shade and started to blend out that edge where the two colors meet. And now I'm just taking the deepest purple shade and I'm running it really close to my lash line, my bottom lash line. So now I'm going to pick up the Pretty Vulgar Gel Liner and I'm going to use this pointed liner to do my wing. So we are done with the eyes. The other product that I didn't use was the Tarte Pro Glow, and it is a liquid highlighter. Oh wow, wow, wow. So I'm actually going to mix these two colors. I absolutely love the contour powder in the Pur Sculptor Palette. I'm not so keen on the highlighters though, but the contour colors are really rich and like, it's funny because it's like the contour colors are for my skin tone, but then the highlight colors are a little bit ashy and a little champagne-y, not in a way that I like. The Element of Surprise palette I absolutely love. It's beautiful, beautiful. It blends so easily as well, and so I'm just really excited about using more Colourpop shadows as well. I got the Makeup Shayla and Colourpop collaboration, and then this one, this week is the first time I've used both of them, and I'm very impressed with Colourpop shadows, the blendability, the pigmentation, and how affordable they are. Their formula is super, super bomb. On my lips, I have two products, two liquid lipsticks, but they don't seem to be drying down to matte. I've had these on for a little bit, and this one dries down matte pretty quickly. But then this Odyssey New York high definition liquid lipstick doesn't dry down matte, and I wonder if it's because it's like in a combo and the formulas are so different so that it's not agreeing with each other. Now this is my first product that I've owned from Pretty Vulgar, and oh my gosh, this thing is like the best gel liner I've ever used in my life. And it's so funny because I just put the Inglot Duraline in my basket, but like I guess I'm not going to buy it because this is everything. I don't need anything else. Also, I've seen Aesthetica on Amazon and I've thought that they were like a weird Amazon brand, but this little pointy brush, like this is a willing combination. I don't think you need any other product for liquid liner, and the best part is that you can tight line with it and you can use it for your lower lash line, which I did today. And I'm just like really happy with how sharp and defined everything came up. This as well, the Tarte Pro Glow, because I had filmed my foundation in a separate video, I didn't use this because I'd already set my face, but I'm looking forward to trying this in another video. I did swatch it and it seemed like it was really luminous. This is something that I'd want to mix in with my foundation to make it like a little more glowy, and it dries down matte, so that was pretty cool to see. And then the other thing that I'm definitely going to start using every day is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I love Cover FX products. They are very well priced and they perform incredibly well as well. I used to use a lot of their powders, and this primer just feels really good on the skin. I'm going to have to come back and really give you afterthoughts in other videos that I film. I can't really give you a full thought on the primer today, but I am wearing it right now on my skin while I'm testing this new foundation, and it seems to be holding up pretty well, although I'm not happy with the actual foundation since it's separated on my nose. So this is the final look, you guys. Definitely thumbs us up if you enjoyed this video, as well as if you want to see more videos from me, then you should subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell when you subscribe so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Let me know in the comments too if you want to see more Boxycharm tutorials. I am going to get them every single month. Alright, so that's everything for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and remember, don't let anybody dim your glitter. Bye!